Hello my dear creative friend and welcome to my channel. This video is going to be special because here I would love to ask you one very important question. So the question is, would you like me to create a new YouTube which will be in English only? I will post the video and tutorials only in English because, as far as you know, I'm originally Russian, and this YouTube channel, it's like crazy mix of Russian language, English language, and also I lived in Copenhagen for almost 3 years, so here you can also find even some videos in Danish, yes, dansk. So please let me know if you want this kind of channel and I will create it specially for you. So post your comment below and I will check your comment. Please let me know maybe if you want some kind of special tutorials, if you are interested in some particular topics that I didn't create any video or tutorials on that topic. So please share your ideas in the comments below and I would read them all. So thanks a lot and I'll see you soon. Bye.